Just in, a shocking case from Ambala and serious questions for the police establishment there. A 24-year-old woman, Nikita, has died after a speeding vehicle allegedly driven by a drunk police officer first hit an e-rickshaw and then allegedly ran over her after she fell onto the road. Eyewitnesses are saying the officer was intoxicated. Angry locals, meanwhile, were told apprehended him and handed him over to the police there. But what has followed has only deepened public anger because there is absolute silence from the police officials. As I mentioned, Nikita died on the spot. We have some crucial reactions lined up for you coming in from Ambala. Listen in.
तो हम काली पलटन का पुल पार करके आ रहे थे अम्बाला शहर की तरफ को, तो पीछे से ये होंडा सिटी कार पुलिस वाला जो चला रहा था उसने 100 की स्पीड पे आके हमारे ई रिक्शे को पीछे से ठोक दिया। और पीछे से ठोक दिया तो ऐसा ठोका तो उसने उसमें से ई रिक्शे में से उछल कर लड़की बाहर सड़क की तरफ गिर गई, हाईवे की तरफ। तो उस पुलिस वाले ने कार को लड़की के ऊपर चढ़ा दिया और लड़की के ऊपर चढ़ा दिया। तब हम बहुत आगे जाके रुके, रिक्शा वाले हम आगे जाके रुके तो 4 सवारियां भी हमारे पास, 3 सवारियां जो पीछे बीच में बैठी रह गई थी। तो हमने दोबारा वापस जाके देखा, वहां पर बहुत भीड़ इकट्ठा हो गई थी। तो इतने में बस लड़की जब वहां पे तो सांसें चल रही थी और यहाँ पर आके पता चला कि लड़की पूरी हो चुकी है।
मेरी बहन गुड़गांव काम करती थी, वो दिल्ली अपने भाई के साथ आ रही थी। उनका ना कैंट में एक्सीडेंट हो गया था। पुलिस वाले ने ना बैठे रिक्शे को टक्कर मार दी, फिर उनके ऊपर गाड़ी चढ़ा दी, जिनके करके उनकी वो अब एक्सपायर हो चुके हैं। नाम उनका निकिता बजाज है, उम्र 24।
गाड़ी कहाँ है आपकी? पंगा है जो भी हुआ था। अच्छा, किसी रुके थे आप? रुके क्यों थे आप ऐसे? हैं?
मैंने कोई गलत काम नहीं किया। मैंने अपनी गाड़ी रोकी इसलिए तो इसका बचाव करूँ। वो मेरे रास्ते कर लगे, मेरी गाड़ी भी जब भी लेगी।
अच्छा। जो गाड़ी पे स्क्रैच है आपकी वो? नहीं, जो गाड़ी पे स्क्रैच है आपकी
अंदर मेरा सामान पड़ा है, गोलियां है।
अच्छा। नहीं, जो गाड़ी पे स्क्रैच है आपकी वो?
देख लो, गाड़ी चेक करो।
हाँ, स्क्रैच है उस पे गाड़ी पे, देख ली ना।
My colleague Mohammed Ghazali has been tracking all the finer developments for us. Ghazali is live at the moment. Ghazali, why is there silence from police officials in Ambala, and has the accused police officer been formally arrested, detained? What is really going on?
Steve, when the incident happened at around 8 p.m. yesterday, it was not initially known that he is a policeman, but later when the crowd gathered there, it was almost like that he will be beaten to death. But then somebody informed the police, and he was taken to the hospital for his to actually test whether he's drunk or not. But the entire focus was on the girl Nikita Bajaj, because this young girl, as she was hit being on the e-rickshaw, she was thrown out of e-rickshaw, and then this person who was this cop who was driving the car, he ran over him. He was actually caught, but public over there were more concerned about saving the girl. She was rushed to the hospital but was brought declared dead. Now, the police, just to placate the crowd over there, first detained him and assured them that the action will be taken. But overnight, perhaps there was no FIR was filed. And today, perhaps the police will start the legal proceedings to record the statement of the family, and then he will be booked. But this is not a case in isolation, because earlier also in the district of Ambala, in the city of Ambala, we have had many such cases where cops drunk on par as well as drunk, intoxicated driving had hit the convoy of the minister. And this is one of such cases where a normal civilian or a citizen had to pay the life just because the cop was drunk, breaking the rules, driving his personal car, and hit him in front of everyone.